Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make your own bed in Heartopia step by step. Okay, let's get started. First, just go to your workbench, this one, and then next just tap on the craft icon, and then choose item, this one, and then just choose bed. And to craft bed, you need 3 apples, this one. So make sure you have enough apples before crafting. You can get the apples by harvesting the apple tree in front of your house. If you don't know how to get the apples yet, just check the link in the description for a full tutorial. And then next, after you have all the materials, just tap on craft. But before, you can also adjust the amount of the materials that you want to craft, that you want to make. Like for example, you can make it 2, 3, 4, and many more. But in here, I will just make it one bed, and then next just click on craft. And okay, like this, your bed is done. Now you can use this bed for fishing later in the game. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.